So I don't have a watch on myself right now, but then I am assuming that this is a record-breaking time interview session which is going on right now. That you guys have started since morning. I think Guinness World Book of Record तो तोड़ ही दिया होगा ना आपने अगर किसी का होगा तो.
मैं तो फुल कैरेक्टर में हूँ. जैसे मेरी फिल्म में आयशा जो नॉन स्टॉप बातें करती रहती है, बकबक करती रहती है, तो सुबह से वही कर रहे हैं हम बकबक कर रहे जा रहे हैं.
और मैं फुल आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर हूँ. जो गुरु इतना बोलता नहीं, मैं सुबह से बोल रहा हूँ.
सुबह से बोल रहे हैं. मैंने कितने इंटरव्यूज काउंट रखा है, कितने इंटरव्यूज कर चुके हैं?
नहीं हम
मेरा तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग आई थिंक लास्ट होगा, क्योंकि अब मैं जितना वेट कर चुकी हूँ, आप लोग सुबह से शुरू हैं, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग मेरा लास्ट.
आप बोर्ड हो चुकी होंगी. हम तो सिर्फ हम बातें कर रहे हैं. आप तो मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ यू केप्ट योरसेल्फ बिजी, बट वी बीन कॉन्स्टेंटली एट इट, सो यू मस्ट हैव बीन सीइंग अस गिविंग इंटरव्यूज.
Yes, and it's a pressure on me that what new should I ask them now?
Yeah, exactly. That's a different
Yes.
kind of pressure.
Now let's see what you'll ask us.
We're trying to see. Come on.
So I want to really know that you know, villains of course, talking about a bad guy, every woman has this thing about bad guys. You know, bad men and something like that. तो आपका कुछ है ऐसा कि you really like being around, or you know, you fall for the bad men more often? हर एक लड़की की जिंदगी में कोई ना ये तो एक ऐसा लड़का होता ही.
I know women have that thing where you know they find bad guys really attractive, and negative shaded guys really attractive. I think it's because they like the unpredictability that comes with them, and that whole mysterious aura which comes with them. But also a lot of danger also comes with them. So
It's a package deal.
It's a full package deal. So yeah, but it's true.
But I think
Women-
she's probably used to. She stays with them.
I stay with them.
I was not talking about a father. I was talking about, of course, you know, in a relationship or a boyfriend like that. Of course, father. Come on.
Her dad has played some iconic roles in bad
He's
guys.
played, yeah, exactly. He's played
So-
some iconic roles, and I have a villain in my house.
So you know what guys to be aware of, you know, क्योंकि एक आपके विलन तो है of course, तो पता है आपको किन से बच के रहना है.
नहीं, वो उन लड़कों को पता है कि किन से बच के रहना है, क्योंकि विलन मेरे घर पे है. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't mess with Shakti. Time Master Gogo.
But then, you know, Siddharth, in real life, have you met girls, you know, your friends generally in college or, you know, back home, have you seen them, you know, falling for the wrong guys more often than, you know, the good ones?
Sometimes I have seen that. I think girls find it more exciting. Sometimes girls feel that they want to keep it. I don't know. They like unpredictable boys who are not so correct at times. So maybe it's a girl thing. Yeah. So far, I've seen the response for this film, or this look has been better than what I got for previous
Absolutely.
films. So then maybe that's a sign that girls do like bad boys.
So, अब इसके बाद शायद आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग और वैसी इतनी है तो और दुगनी हो जाएगी इसके बाद, राइट?
Like the good and the bad boys. So then I've played both right now so far.
But the good ones keep wondering कि ऐसा क्या है उसमें जो मेरे में नहीं है, राइट? कभी आपके पास ऐसा फेज में आया कि ऐसा you keep thinking maybe in college, you know, you have liked a girl and you thought कि उसमें ऐसा क्या है that she's fallen for some wrong guy?
Correct. काफी बार होता था. Then you used to wonder that something wrong. Then end में like how all boys do it कि हाँ ये लड़की है में खराबी होगी. हाँ then she's only okay. Then never mind. So we used to blame the girls.
अच्छा, but then coming back to the film, how was it working with Shraddha? You know, during Ashiki, of course, Aditya has spoken that she's always a fun person to work with. How was your experience working with Shraddha?
Yeah, I think we had a great time working on this film. We've done so many interesting activities where I found out her adventurous side. You know, she might, though she looks very petite and very demure and very नाजुक किस्म की लगती है, पर ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. She's all there for every kind of action. You know, like be it climbing a mountain,
Scuba diving.
jumping off a 4-story building, and she did it herself. You know, riding a bike which is twice her weight, and she couldn't put her foot down and to break it. So yeah, I think.
And what happened then when she couldn't put her foot down? What happened?
See,
Then
what
he
happened
came
was
to the
only when
rescue.
I was there behind her, she was safe. The moment she tried to ride it on her own, which I told her not to, and I was chasing her in a car in that scene, and she crosses me, and there was a last take, a last shot of the bike in the film, and as soon as she crossed camera, she tried something, I don't know, really cool, and she thought she'd never done that before, was falling. She's like, wow, let me try this one.
I thought, पता नहीं क्या, what is she trying?
I didn't.
But I didn't get it. We never got it. And why was
That obviously
last
didn't
take,
happen.
last shot of the film, and something she did was something I don't know. You just fell.
हाँ, तो लगा होगा उसके बाद तो अब इसके बाद कोई सीन्स है नहीं, अगर लग भी गई कुछ भी हुआ क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
Like last shot, wow, she left the bike and everything.
Let's
Yeah.
just go.
Luckily, I mean, I would have been game to do more shots, but Mohit was the one who was really worried on set, and he literally ran to the end of the set and he was like, you know, is she okay and all of that. But it's been amazing to ride a bike in this film, you know, and especially it looks interesting, right? When you have this smaller person riding such a big bike, so you wonder that where does this person get that sort
admit
of
that you look
strength?
small and
Strength.
puny.
I admit, no, I am small
Yeah,
and puny.
exactly. Don't go by her height right now.
And exactly.
She's about this height. She's very
There's a 4-inch heel.
Exactly. Yes, that is true. So yeah, I mean, it's been a lot of fun, and
Next time you put those side wheels into your bike, like side
And पीछे learners लगा.
और पीछे learners लगा के वो side में पहिया लगा देंगे ऐसे करके. You can ride probably balance.
no,
उसमें
but
stress नहीं है.
I'm actually really good at riding it, despite the fact that I fell lots of times. It's something that I've really enjoyed, and I actually want to probably buy a bike also, but yeah, let's see.
And of course, you're not the pillion rider for sure on this.
No, those bikes, no. I did it for the film, not once bitten, twice shy.
Film is coming near to the release date now, so of course music बहुत ज़बरदस्त hit हो चुका है. Of course she's also, but I'm not going to tell you to sing. Don't worry, you've been singing I think since morning.
Singing all day, but yeah, man, I can just keep singing if you just keep asking me to, because I'm so excited about
Disappointed now.
singing.
She wanted to sing.
I've been so excited about singing in this film.
इतना force करे तो गा दो ना कुछ.
ठीक है, आप बोल ही
खुद
रहे
सुनाइए.
तो
हाँ.
सिद्धार्थ की डिमांड मेरी नहीं है.
अच्छा, इनकी
I've
डिमांड
been
नहीं है
listening to you since 4 hours now that you've been saying.
I think she is sick of hearing.
She's bored in hearing us.
She's like, I can't hear this गलियाँ
And
है
you
वो
know,
गलियाँ
I think
गलियाँ.
basically ये बोर हो गई.
कोई और गाना हो जाए एक्चुअली गलियाँ नहीं कोई और गाना.
कोई और फिल्म का ही गाना हो जाए.
Sadly इन्हें एक ही गाना गाया है. अगर कोई और गाना होता तो हम गा देते, but for now.
But yes, मैंने अपना singing debut किया है, तो very exciting.
And how is the whole response coming along, because your look has been really appreciated, and of course you're the bubbly sorry, you told me last time not to use the word bubbly.
Bubbly.
Yeah, energetic character.
Overused and dated.
It's like a cold drink.
It should be
Use it
like
for that.
banned, that word, bubbly.
Bubbly.
Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.